we're about to pull it now. You see, this is a chain block. It seems it had been knocked. Oh, it knocked other car. You see on the bump. What do you call it? Yeah, this is a tow bar. Yeah, this is a tow bar. Yeah, you see. So we're about to pull it now. You see, you're gonna see everything. See. Good now. This is our cooling system.
Yeah.
Yeah, show them that is a radiator. Yeah.
Firstly.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you put it
Yeah,
that side.
radiator. This is it.
And the next one
It's a fan. Let me get a receipt.
Okay.
In case something goes wrong. In case, just in case there. Okay, put it there.
Yeah.
Put it there. Then the last one.
Yeah.
The last one is a cooler. It's a air condenser or whatever in English. Okay, it's all in all, it's our cooling system, guys. We're gonna assemble our cooling system here. You see, this is gonna look nice. This is gonna look nice.
Yeah, the first one we did take it out because it was broken.
Okay.
So we're gonna put a new one.
Okay.
Firstly, the tools.
The tools now. Okay. Firstly, the tools.